Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the best deals going on at Target and at Walmart for the week. So if you are new here, each week I go through the aisles, I go through the ad, I go through the apps, and I try to match up what I think are the best deals going on at both stores, and then I break them down for you step by step. So that's what you can expect to find in this video today, as well as pictures of items that I found on clearance at the end of the video. Now, I knew this week was going to be crazy. I mean, it's tax week. I have a number of things for my son this week that have to get done. I have a number of things for work that need to get done. It just feels like there are so many things. But on Sunday, I work. I get my Walgreens video posted, and I realized, thanks to someone's comment, so I really appreciate that the version I uploaded on Sunday was the unedited version. I went through and I edited and I added everything to the screen like y'all typically see, but that's not the version that got uploaded. So I had to take the video down, put the new video back up, and that just totally killed the views on that video. So that was super frustrating. More frustrating than I can communicate probably. But that being said, if you haven't had a chance to watch my Walgreens video, please do, because the views are way down on that, and that's just really disheartening. So this week, lots of amazing deals at Target, lots of good deals at Walmart. I truly feel like it's a good week for both places. Now, Sunday morning, Target items hit 90% off for Easter, and the Target food hit 70% off. Now, when I was at my store today being Tuesday, all of the Easter was gone. So my store ended up pulling it sometime between Sunday and today. I'm not sure what you're going to find at your store. At Walmart today, I noticed that Easter items were marked 75% off. So that's kind of where that is today being, it's Tuesday evening when I'm filming this. I'm trying to think of anything else I wanted to tell you guys. So I guess let's just jump into Target deals. I'll pop it up here on the screen. Thank you. This is what I wanted to say. I knew there was something else. Thank you to everyone who took a guess on how much I spent last week. It ended up being just short of $15 for everything, but I kind of feel like I let y'all down because so many of y'all guessed like $4 and $3, and I had spent substantially more than that. But when I first started YouTube, I was showing, moneymaker deals only, or free and cheap deals only. But as prices continued to rise, and I realized that more and more people were following me because they use these deals to feed their family or to get the necessities, I went ahead and started adding more and more deals in that might not be free, but are substantially less than what you would pay if you just ran to the store and grabbed an item that you needed when you needed it with no coupon. So hopefully that makes sense. It was over 85% savings last week. This week, I believe, was right around that 80 to 85% savings. So I feel like that's a good place to be. Now, let me tell you some of the best deals. Now, the Tide plant-based products. There is a 50% Target Circle offer in your Target app, as well as a $2 digital coupon. So this is $12.99 minus that 50% digital, minus the $2 digital. Your price will come out to $4.49. Now on the Downy, this one starts at $10.99. Same thing, 50% digital, $2 digital coupon will drop your cost down to $3.49. Now for a while, these were included in that $10 gift card promotion. I don't think they are this week. Now these two products, I don't think they are. I actually purchased these last week. I didn't purchase them again this week, but those deals are there with that 50% off Target Circle as well as the $2 digital coupon. If your store carries these, that's a good deal. Now, this is kind of random. I sadly dropped this off my table as I was setting everything up, and it's broken, so I have to be really careful with it. This Ajax, this is the big bottle of Ajax, 52 ounces. So it's $3.99. There's a 10% Target Circle offer, so you'll pay $3.59. Then there's $1 back on Ibotta, making it $2.59. And like I said, this is the big container of Ajax. So if you like that kind of dish soap, not a bad deal. This is a freebie here. The Bulldog Shave Gel is $6.99. There's a $4 digital, get back $3 on Ibotta, making it completely free. There was a face wash that was a little bit more expensive. It was $7.19, so the final cost would come out to 19 cents for that one. I grabbed the freebie. Now, I think that was all on the non-food stuff. So some of the food deals. The Banza, this is kind of a weird one. Not everyone buys this brand, but this is $2.69 on sale. So it's already at sale price. There was a 10% Target Circle offer, dropping it down to $2.42. Then 75 cents back on Ibotta, dropping it to $1.67, substantially cheaper than the regular price for the Banza mac and cheese. These Moonshot crackers, I love them. They're $4.99. There was a $2 digital in the app, dropping your cost to $2.99. Then submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it just $1.49. Now, all of the deals I'm telling you were valid as of today when I was doing them. Always check your app. If I say there's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, double check your app and make sure you see that before you buy the product. This one was a rebate deal. I want to say it was Sister Saving You Cents that told me about this one. The Hilma Gas and Bloat Relief Supplements. These are $9.99. I'll include a link down to the rebate below. You get $9.99 back when you purchase it, making it free. The Honey Mamas, I love these. I haven't tried the chocolate cake kind, but everyone I've tried of this brand has been amazing. They're $4.99, which is kind of expensive, but there's a $2 digital, dropping it to $2.99, getting $1 back on Ibotta, taking your final cost down to $1.99. Now, I did so many Ibotta offers this week that I hit the $3 midweek moneymaker bonus, and then I believe I have a $10 bonus as well for like 40 some offers. I can't remember exactly how many, but we'll see if we get there. Now, these Core Keto, the birthday cake specific, these are $2.39, 35% Target Circle offer, leaving you to pay $1.55, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making your final cost 55 cents. I've liked these bars, but I haven't tried this flavor yet, so I'm not sure how good that one is. Let me know if you've tried it. That's the other thing about y'all guessing the price, how much I spent. It was so fun to see so many responses. It feels kind of weird just to talk to my phone and not have any interaction. So I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate when you guys leave comments and when you talk with each other or you share deals with each other, because for me, it makes this feel more like a community versus me just talking at a phone. So I appreciate that. Now, the Lunchable, this is a deal you could do at Target or over at Walmart. I did it at Target. It's $1.99, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta, making my final cost $1.69. And if I'm remembering correctly, when you do this deal 5 times, you get a bonus. I think it was a 50-cent bonus. Just double check your app and see what it says. So if that's something you buy a lot of, you can also snag that bonus. Now, the Barilla Chickpea Pasta. These are $3.19 normally. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and I had a $2 rebate on the Merryfield app, and it was a limit of 2. So I picked up 2 at $3.19. I submitted to Ibotta, I got $2 back. I submitted to Merryfield and got $4 back, making these just 19 cents each. Now, I've never tried the chickpea spaghetti. Honestly, it doesn't sound like something I would enjoy, so I'll probably just donate it to the food bank. I've been collecting some items to make a donation to the food bank here pretty soon. Anyway, now I've mentioned Social Nature before. Social Nature is just a program where you can apply to try a product. They send you a coupon for a free product, and then once you've tried it out, you go on and leave a short review, and it allows you to try out new products for free. That's how I picked up this cookie dough. I have tried it and I don't really care for it, and I feel bad because they gave it to me for free and I don't really like it, but it was $9.99. That coupon did scan now at Target. I had no issues with that. It took off $9.99, making it completely free. So I'm going to take a picture of that. What I normally do with food items is I'll snap pictures of stuff that I'm not going to use, and I'll text a few of my friends and say, hey, would you or your family eat this? And then I go drop it off at their houses. If no one wants it and it's not refrigerated, then I take it to the food bank. If it's refrigerated, I try to find someone who will eat it because I hate wasting any food. Now, the Ozarka I mentioned last week, this pack right here is $2.29. There's a rebate on Shopkick for $1.70 back, making this 6-pack just 59 cents. Now, what am I forgetting? Am I seeing everything? That was all for Target. Now, I've seen a few people say they're finding this unlimited deodorant at Target on clearance. My store still had it at full price, but if your store has it on clearance, double check your app because there should be a coupon as well as a rebate on Ibotta, making this completely free. I actually picked it up at Walmart, so I'll tell you about that here in just a second. Like I said, lots of good deals at Walmart this week. Clearance-wise, so this was interesting. I found this last night, normally like $6 and something, down to $1.56. And I think they're called Bugles, the one that looks like little witch's fingers when you put them on your finger, because who doesn't eat them that way? Those were also on clearance, but those were only marked down to like $4. So check your chip aisle and see if you have some clearance items there. I finally did the Armor All deal. I had been waiting for this to go up. It's been on Swagbucks for $6 back. It finally went to $8 back, and I like these for cleaning my car. So I picked up 2 of the Armor All Ceramic Shield 25 counts at $5.12 at Walmart. I got back $8 on Swagbucks, making my final cost $2.24 or just $1.12 per canister. So great price if you like that Armor All brand. Like I said, all of the Easter stuff was still at 75% off at my store, so I picked up this bag of Hershey's for just 87 cents. There's a pie that I like to make that uses Hershey's chocolate, so I figure I'll make that at some point. The Silk Next Milk. I had a free after rebate offer on this. So it was $3.98. I got $3.98 back. But a lot of you, when I posted this deal, said that you only got 75 cents back. Part of me wonders, like with Ibotta, when they do this free after rebates, like after it gets so many saves, do they drop the offer? Or does it just vary based on location? I'm not quite sure why some people get it and other people do not. Other Ibotta offers. The Airwick Essential Mist. This is $11.97. There is a $6 rebate in Ibotta as well as a $6 rebate on coupons.com. And this was one of the ones that it did not say you can't combine it with other coupons. So I went ahead and I did combine it, making it completely free. A lot of the offers on Ibotta now for Walmart say can't combine with other coupons. So you're not going to find me doing that, which is why you may see deals somewhere else that I'm not talking about. Because if it says you can't combine it, I'm just not going to do it. I'm a rule follower like that. So the unlimited deodorant, $8.98, $9 for deodorant just baffles me. There's a $3 offer on Ibotta, a $4 offer on coupons.com, and an offer on Shopkick for $2.26 back, making this completely free and a 28-cent moneymaker. Also on the deodorant aisle, I picked up the Secret. I got the vanilla kind. It's $6.97, $3 back on Ibotta, $3.40 back on Shopkick, making the final cost 57 cents. Also snagged the Old Spice lotion. This is $6.97. There's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, a $3.64 rebate on Shopkick, making it just $1.33. The soft soap, also an Ibotta and Shopkick offer. I picked up one of the Sunny Days and one of the Spring Air, priced at $1.24. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta when you buy 2, as well as $1.76 back on Shopkick for buying each of them. So it's 200 kicks each, leaving your final cost to be 28 cents for both, or just 14 cents each. This was a free after rebate. My store did not carry these when this rebate came out, but now my store does. It's called Pop and Bottle Caramel Cold Brew. It is a like coffee drink. They're $2.98. I will link the rebate down below. You get $2.98 back to either Venmo or PayPal. Typically those come within 24 hours. They're pretty quick, so you can try that out for free. I think that was everything except this fiber supplement. So this Bellway fiber, it is $15.94. I'm going to include a link to a rebate down below, which will give you 50% back. And then there's an offer on Ibotta for $3 back, making your final cost $4.97 when it started out being almost $16. So great price on the Bellway fiber. And I'm going to be trying out a couple of these products over the next week, and I'm going to give you more of a review and feedback next week in my Walmart video about this brand and what I think of their products. I believe that was everything. So the total before coupons was like over $130 for all of this stuff. It was a higher out of pocket than normal. Like I said, I'm buying more products because I'm trying to show as many deals as possible, because what you need for your house looks different than what I need for my house. So I'm buying as many things as I can to show you all of the different possibilities. So I think I came out right around $30 on this. Just don't quote me, because once it got over 15, I was like, oh my goodness, maybe it was too much. But $130 down to $30, I'm not going to complain about that. If y'all have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. Tell me about your week. Tell me about your day. Tell me something. Just drop me a comment, because I do love seeing those comments. Thanks.